Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing parts so winding is consistent and safe. Place the correct bobbin in the winder shaft, then lock the bobbin in place. This centers the thread as it winds. Put the spool on the pin and use a cap to keep it snug. This prevents uneven tension. Pull about 12 to 18 inches of thread and guide it through the thread path or tension disc on the winder. Doing this first ensures even layers and prevents snarls later. Next, attach the thread to the bobbin so the coil starts cleanly and stays put. Thread through the bobbin hole or notch and hold the tail against the bobbin so it won't slip. Engage the winder mechanism and start the machine at low speed. This makes the first 5 to 10 turns lay down a stable base. Once you see even, adjacent layers forming, you can increase speed. Make sure the thread feeds smoothly. Uneven starts cause lumps that disrupt stitch tension later. Finish by stopping the winder with a small empty rim. This prevents overfilling and jamming. Trim the thread leaving about 2 to 3 inches. Disengage the winder and remove the bobbin, then tuck the tail under the outer wrap so it won't unravel. If you notice wobble, loose coils, or loops, recenter the bobbin on the shaft and confirm the spool cap and tension disc are seated correctly. These fixes correct uneven tension and stop repeat problems. Once done, test in the machine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.